Namaste. I am Suresh Raju. I head the Department of Training and Transformation at ISBR Business School. Over the last 20 years, I've been having a passionate journey in understanding people, be it individual growth, relationships, team dynamics, or how we communicate and its impact on our emotions. I am a learning and development consultant for corporate workshops and developmental interventions, a career coach helping youngsters make right career choices, and I'm a professional psychotherapist helping people to deal with relationship and situational challenges for leading an emotionally healthy life. My dear friends, last 3 to 4 months have had a very deep impact on all of us. With the unprecedented coronavirus outbreak, followed by lockdown, I think we have experienced totally what was unexpected. It has had an impact on millions of people, affecting health, life threatening virus, a lot of things. We have gone through a very disturbing phase of life. But has everything been so bad? No, not at all. Lot of learning has happened, lot of growth has happened individually for many people. At ISBR, we were very quick in adapting to online learning platforms. Be it the regular classes, be it completing their trimesters on time, be it online examinations, we have really adapted quickly to everything that was needed to keep learning ongoing. That's what we believe in. We always believe in connecting to the real world with real learning. That's our motto, that's our vision. But yes, after this 3 months of wait with fear and anxiety, we have stepped forward towards Unlock 1.0. We are getting back to normal, of course, with a lot of new norms being redefined, safety measures and restrictions to ensure health, hygiene, which is very critical. Stay safe, stay healthy, without a doubt. But we must move on. As the nation moves forward with Unlock 1.0, at ISBR, we have also unlocked a new version of digital learning. We are going to continue with our online platform with ISBR Digital Academy. We are coming out with a lot of online learning interventions, certified online workshops, bite-sized learning videos, online webinars, online panel discussions, online programs which will help students and management professionals understand how the career landscape is going to change. Lot of it is in store. The next in the series is happening very soon from tomorrow, which will be a 6-hour web hands-on training on R for beginners, which is very much in demand for students and executives in the line of business analytics. The program is going to be delivered by Professor Sheetal Mahendra, who is highly experienced and qualified, and she is heading the Department of Business Analytics at ISBR Business School. So friends, stay tuned, because learning never stops at ISBR, and this platform is going to be a class apart with all the programs that is going to come. Do subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned with our social media platforms, and I'm sure all of us are moving towards a better future, a better career in making global, world-class business leaders. Thank you so much. See you soon.